Show me.
Hunter's gonna learn how to ride a motorcycle today.
Yeah.
In Haiti. You wanna do it?
Okay.
Come on.
He's gonna yell at me.
Yeah, I know he's not. Who cares?
Because I'm gonna break his bike.
Go break.
You can learn to ride a historical statue.
I do not know how to ride. You guys don't understand.
It's okay.
I go to ask one driver.
How much?
How much?
You wanna try on the bicycle first?
No.
Oh, I'll do shit with that. I'll tear the bike up. Not the motorcycle. You push up. Oh, there's 3 of them? Or is it four? No,
There's only two levers there on the bottom. There's the front and the back.
Behind this one.
The front is up.
Okay.
The back is down.
Alright. This one too. I'm up with it. When you first. Yeah. Second.
That's the gas, right?
Huh?
Yeah, the throttle's on the right. You just spin it instead of.
Yeah, I'm just. Yeah,
Put
that
it
is.
on there. Huh? Put it on there. 2 rounds for 25 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. You sit down. Okay. I want you to see after.
Watch him very closely.
See after you sit down.
Yeah, okay, so. Okay.
Ma papel de un tau, quando a poder ir para dela, fica a avó.
Yeah, you, right? What's down there? Yeah. Got it. That's your head. Okay. Yeah.
He's gonna learn how to drive a motorcycle. Yeah. He's gonna come around.
What's third and fourth? If that's first and second, what's third and fourth?
Okay, the front one is to go up. Always.
But her, you need only 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I was just confused. Okay. Push that down?
Yeah.
Break, okay. What do I do? I don't know what to do. Man.
Bilo.
I don't know
Bilo.
what to do.
Tell him to put. Hey, Bilo. Tell the driver to put in one. To put in first.
Yeah.
It's in first.
Okay. So slowly let go of the clutch and apply gas. Okay.
Okay.
This is slow. This is little. Hunter. Very little. The motorcycle goes very fast. There you go. There you go. Yeah, Bilo. Oh, here it goes.
I don't know how to shift the second, that's the thing. The second gear. The second. Push that down?
Yeah, push it down.
Yeah.
Use your toes and the heel
Why
of your
didn't you
foot.
say it at the beginning?
I did, but you just didn't understand.
Okay, one more time. One more time.
Well, we might as well go 2 more times to pay an extra 25. Again, go again, go, 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 go.
Betsy, Betsy
I got it now.
Okay.
I got it now.
Now we can still motorcycle. All right.
I got it. I learned it.
Okay.
Okay. Pay the man.
I know how to. I did not know. Okay. First gear, I didn't know it was shift, shift, shift in the backpack. I thought it was like weird.
All is.
Yeah, got it. That's what confused me. I did
You
not
drew
know.
a crowd.
Other day you can come back up.
Yeah. Hey, we still have to go film the palace real quick.
Yeah, let's go.
It's a celebration?
No, hi. This is the first time I see it.
You know that man? You know him?
No.
Let's go.
One place I come and let it go.